topic matching. Look at the board, my students. Class 5, subject BGS, topic matching. And this is annual term, lecture 23 and homework 12. This is your teacher's name, this is student's date, and this is my mobile number. So my students, let's start off today's topic. So matching. Topic matching, lecture 23, homework 12. Match the words of the left side with the words of the right side and write it on the answer paper. In the matching, there are two column or two sides, left side and right side, and you have to first match left side with right side, then write the full sentence. If you will write a full sentence, they will put a full stop mark, and if your sentence is not a full, then you will not give any full stop. Now left side. In all cases, A, in all cases, B, to establish democracy, the people of our country. C, Bangladesh is a. Number D, the fundamental policy of our state is. E, we will show democratic attitudes. And number then right side. Number 1, democratic state. Number 2, democracy. Number 3, duty as a citizen. Number 4, fought for many days. Number 5, in-house, school, playground, and every other place. Number 6, we will show democratic attitudes. Number 7, voting as a citizen's duty. Now we have to do a match A, left side with right side. First you have to write in that way. First you have to write left side number, then right side number. So first one is A plus 6. In all cases, plus 6. Where is the 6? Yes. We will show democratic attitude. In all cases, we will show democratic attitude. Then you will give equal mark. Then you will write full sentence. In all cases, then plus, and you will give this plus. It is very important. You will give this plus sign. In all cases, plus, we will show democratic attitudes. So this is a full sentence. So you have to put full stop mark. Number B, B plus 4. B, to establish democracy, the people of our country. B plus 4. This is 4, fought for many days. So B plus 4, to establish democracy, the people of our country. Then plus, give the plus mark. Then right side sentence, fought for many days. Then you will give a full stop mark. Then number C. C, Bangladesh is a. C plus 1, Bangladesh is a democratic country. C plus 1, Bangladesh is a. So I will give a plus mark. Bangladesh is a democratic state. Bangladesh is a democratic state. The number D plus 2. The fundamental policy E for state is democracy. The fundamental policy E for state and plus then write democracy. So the fundamental policy of our country, democracy. Then you put full stop mark. Then number E plus 5. You will show democratic attitudes. Here is the 5 in school, in house, school, playground, and every other place. So you have to write. So we will show democratic attitude. Then give this plus. Then write in house, playground, and every other places. So this is our matching right pattern. And I will say again, A plus 6 in all cases, plus we will show democratic attitude, full stop. B plus 4, we to establish democracy, the people of our country, then plus, fought for many days, then full stop. Number C. C plus 1, Bangladesh is a, then plus, democratic state, then we will put a full stop. Then number D plus 2, the fundamental policy, here is the policy, okay? P-O-L-I-C-Y. The fundamental policy E for state democracy. The fundamental policy E for state democracy. So you put this full stop. Then our E plus 5, we will show democratic attitude. Then plus in our house, playground, and every other place. So this is our answer writing pattern. And this is your homework. This is your homework. And left side and right side. So left side, the Khashi worship, the original religion of Garo was, the traditional religion of Moor was, the Tripura worship, the main god of the Orang is called. And right side, Torai, Hermes, deities, Mahto, Shanshare, Shiva and Kali, several gods, among whom the father will be Nangthao. So this is your homework. This is your homework. Look at the board, your homework number 12 and matching to your homework, and this is our today's topic. So my dear students, I hope all of you students have understood this topic and will do your homework. See you again inshallah.